Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. Right now, I just wanted to document this experience here. We're going to take this hole that we dug and do the lasagna layering of leaves, then sand, leaves, sand, leaves, sand, and leaves. And we're going to try to go ahead and grow some bottle gourds. See, I don't think they did well over here because of the location. So we're going to try this location over here where the roots will probably be able to go down a lot better. It is later in the year too, so it's a lot warmer, so they should do better. If they don't, then I'm just trying to grow the wrong bottle gourd. So let's get right to it. First layer of leaves is down. Next is a layer of sand, about an inch. Second layer of leaves are down, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Just put down another 1.5 inches of sand. Now I'm going to put more leaves. Couple more inches of leaves. Now I'm going to put about 2 inches of sand. Just place the sand. Now I'm going to wet it in so that the soil is workable. Alright, it's wet. Now we let that water drain down, and I'm going to go get my seeds. Alright, I got my seeds. I use American Seed because they're high quality seeds for a very low price. And they state that that is what their intention is, I think, on their website. Let's put them in the ground. And I just kind of placed a bunch of holes sporadically, and then I put one seed in each hole. Now I'm going to put some sand in those holes and then cover this top with one last layer of leaves. Alright folks, the last layer of leaves is on. I'm going to water this in and then hope for the best. Now we're going to observe and see what happens. If this ends up being a success, then this is a method that you will be able to use in this area throughout Florida. But I can't speak to any other areas throughout the country. I can only speak to what's going on here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned, as we have a lot more updates regarding the bottle gourd going forward. Have a good day.